Good morning, everyone. Well, still a chance of snow today, but I do think some are going to be missing out. We're just talking about isolated snow showers today, but they are going to be lingering, and we're already dealing with some still early this morning. I noticed that not everyone seeing the snow. I do have to mention it, the chance for isolated snow showers for that morning drive. And throughout the day, what we're going to see is more activity to the north and east and less activity to the south and west. So for today, if you're in Omaha or Council Bluffs, you have one of the best opportunities of seeing some additional snow. The farther south and west you live, though, if you're in Hebron, for example, it's going to be pretty difficult for the snow showers to reach you. So that's kind of the situation we're going to be looking at throughout the day. So possibility for the morning commute, possibility late this morning, possibility early this afternoon. Notice it's just that lightest shade of blue showing up, and notice how more to the north and east than the south and west, but definitely no widespread snow, and this would all be, again, light snow and snow flurries. By the way, 2 o'clock this afternoon, look at high temperatures today, even colder than yesterday. We're talking about in the northern part of the area, highs only in the upper 20s and no warmer than the low 30s today. But it is not going to be feeling this warm because the other part of the story is not just below normal temperatures, but very windy conditions as well. We're talking about wind gusts this afternoon around 40 miles per hour. So that means that temperatures, what it's going to be feeling like, about 10 to 15 degrees cooler than this. So I do want to stress that it's going to be feeling like the low 20s and upper teens out there at the warmest. I do think, though, there's still going to be a chance for a flurry, maybe 4, 5 o'clock. I think all of the flurry activity, snow shower activity, coming to an end by 6 o'clock. But the cloud cover is still going to linger. Still looking like a mostly cloudy night tonight, and eventually we will be cooling down into the upper teens and low 20s. And the problem is, there are a lot of nights that, once the sun goes down, the winds die down. Well, the winds are going to come down a little bit tonight, but it's going to stay windy. We're still looking at gusts hanging out around 30 miles per hour. So look what it's going to be feeling like. Very late tonight, early tomorrow morning. Yeah, we're talking about single digits. About 3 in Columbus, 8 at the warmest Omaha, Nebraska City, Beatrice, and Falls City. So this is what you need to be prepared for early Friday morning. And then Friday afternoon looks even colder than today. We're talking about high temperatures in the mid to upper 20s. It's going to be a cloudy day, but it does look like a dry day. Unfortunately, still windy. Not as bad as today, but gusts still 30, 35 miles per hour, so not much improvement. So what is it going to be feeling like Friday afternoon? Well, some could get stuck in the single digits for feels like temperatures, and at the warmest, we're talking about feels like temperatures in the mid-teens.